Imagine being told at 21 years old that you have 2 years left to live. Your body slowly shuts down. You lose your voice. You lose control of your muscles. But instead of giving up, you decide to understand the universe itself. This is the story of Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking was born in 1942, England, right in the middle of the World War II. Nothing about his childhood screamed genius. He was lazy at school, bad at handwriting, known more for curiosity than discipline. His classmates even gave him a nickname, Einstein, mostly as a joke, but Stephen had one obsession, big questions. Where did the universe come from? Does time have a beginning? Does it have an end? At 21, while studying at Cambridge, Stephen began to fall. A lot. Doctors ran tests. Then came a sentence that shattered his life. ALS, a motor neuron disease. No cure, 2 years to live. Stephen fell into depression. He stopped caring. Why plan a future that won't exist? Then something changed. He fell in love, and suddenly 2 years mattered. Stephen made a decision. If I don't have much time, I'll use it to answer the biggest questions. As his body weakened, his mind exploded with ideas. He worked on black holes, the origin of time, the birth of the universe. While he was losing the ability to walk, he was rewriting physics. For decades, scientists believed nothing escapes a black hole. Stephen Hawking disagreed. He proposed something radical: Hawking radiation. Black holes emit energy, slowly evaporate, can eventually disappear. This idea shocked the scientific world. Einstein's gravity versus quantum machines. Hawking stood between them. This theory changed how scientists think about space, time, reality itself. In 1988, Stephen Hawking did the impossible. He wrote a book about the universe for normal people, A Brief History of Time. It became one of the best-selling science books ever, translated into 40 languages, bought by millions, finished by very few. But it made something clear: science doesn't belong only to scientists. He didn't just challenge physics, he challenged religion, faith, the idea of creator. He famously said, "The universe can create itself from nothing." This sparked massive controversy. Some called him a genius, others called him dangerous. Stephen's response: "I follow the evidence wherever it leads." Later in life, Hawking warned humanity about artificial intelligence, alien contact, time travel paradoxes. He said AI could be the best or worst thing to happen to humanity. A man trapped in a body, warning the world about the future. Stephen Hawking lived 55 years longer than doctors predicted. He lost his body, his voice, but he gave humanity new ideas, new questions, a new way to look at existence. He once said, "However difficult life may seem, there's always something you can do and succeed at." Stephen Hawking didn't just study the universe, he proved the human mind has no limits.
Otherwise you have to wait what he said and you can't see. He says, Tom, can you explain the assistant? This is Stephen's assistant. He keeps him talking.
I think you'd see what's happening. Stephen's just clicking through lists of words with that soft key.
And how many words are in it?
Embarrassingly, I don't know. Stephen knows.
Do you see how I communicate?
Yes.
You can add words to the dictionary and things. It's a fairly concise dictionary, so Stephen can go through the list quickly. Yeah, that's right.
quite a coincidence that the head of the University College at Oxford was here. He was a full-time, I think he was a career civil servant, and he sort of managed the transition from John Major to Tony Blair, and then he got put...
I'm also on the internet through a mobile phone.
Which we haven't got on. Which sits here. Sits there.
The mobile phone?
Yes. Well, he has an ordinary mobile phone that his family can call him up on. And then he has an extra one on front, which is just for email, internet. And he can get physics papers from Japan or America or wherever. Just in the street if he wants to. So he's the envy of his colleagues because he can work.
So it comes up on an internet screen or on this one?
Onto that one, everything goes through that screen.
So he can actually just put this into the email?
Well, the phone's here, and,
Yeah.
and the Tom has one wired up, so he'll come up here. He just has to select the right menu to access the or you can ring up whoever he wants. Just holding that switch, and he can phone me at home or one of the kids. Speak to them. That's wonderful. His children actually communicate a lot on the internet because they know that it's probably faster than one to get a message through when he's got time to write to them. It's great.
Oh, there's our dog.
Oh, yes, you had the dog.
Chuck, no, just for about 6 months. 6 months? Yeah, actually less. He's about 7 months old, but we've had him since December.
Is he fun?
Oh, he's a wonderful dog. He's a very enthusiastic puppy still, and loves to get around and visit everybody, which makes him a great dog for the White House, because he's very friendly.
It's fascinating.
The Oval Room is very nice. We have 4 of them in the White House, and I've never lived in or been in Oval Rooms before, but I like the shape and feel of them.
It's very light, isn't it? It's always this way, even when it's very cloudy and dark. It's always dark.
You've got the dog on
Cambridge.
Mrs. Hawk,
How are you, sir?
Good to see you.
Mrs. Hawk, would you like to sign this? That's great.
We get everybody in?
Okay, that's great.
I get physics paper on the internet and read them on screen.
So you can
So
call
they
them up
come
on
right
that
up here. If
screen.
you call them up, they come right on this screen.
Yeah.
Yes.
Unfortunately, you can't demonstrate.